ngabona ukuthi uNkulunkulu noma
saying that they
ngithembekile
are
ngenza yonke izinto
and
azenzeki
faithful, but things weren't happening.
abantu abaningi abadukile banezindlela engavulwa namhlanje
Now sacred houses,
banezinto abanazo abahamba bayolanda bathathalenda inamngozi bayithathiswa ukuthi bathi sizamile
through the loss of faith and discouragement of not getting tangible
ukuthi nami
things,
ngisho uNkulunkulu akakho
and they started to deny God.
angihamba ngiyozama nami
So they went to seek outside help
lande iwanyana
and took in some spirits
ngenxa ukuthi uhlale kakhulu uNkulunkulu ethi ulungile wabona kungenzeki
because they've
but ngifuna
been faithful for long.
uNkulunkulu ukuthi uNkulunkulu kuzaza athembeke
But I want to tell you, for God to be faithful, be righteous even when things
ngoba nakho
happen.
uthandazela imoto wayithola
Not only for receiving the
ngoba
tangible,
nakho uthema ucela abantwana bathole umsebenzi
because when you
bawuthola
ask for your
noma
children
ngabe
to
kuthiwa
do
kuze
work,
uNkulunkulu besebenza
you came to God,
uthema
you
usuthatha
came
uJesu
working,
waphela
and when
umsebenzi
you took
siyaqhubeka
out
silunge siyaqhubeka sihlale
and you
kuNkulunkulu
continue to
asimkhonzi
serve God,
uNkulunkulu
you do not
ngoba
worship Him
enza
because
kahle
of what He does.
laba bilithi iBhayibheli babalungile
Those two were righteous in the sight of
baba
God.
Ndlovu mkhulu
Mr. Ndlovu.